is Trista Ainsworth, and I am a professional organizer with Joyful Minimalism. Today we are on day 4 of our 100-day journey through personal growth and how it relates to your home. Today is all about bringing awareness to your inner as well as your outer dialogue. It's so important to really pay attention to what we are saying to ourselves silently as well as out loud, because we can create worlds with our words. That's something that we need to keep in mind as we are thinking about things and going throughout our days. Paying attention to what we say to ourselves has a great effect on everything around us. When you're aware of your inner and outer dialogue, you are taking steps to be kinder to yourself and to your environment. So it has a great effect on everything around you, both in your home and how you're feeling about your day-to-day activities. For today, pay attention and just notice what you're saying to yourself, both in an inner silent dialogue and what you say out loud. And as far as your home, notice what you do and what you say to yourself when you're doing your chores and things on your task list, and notice what your inner dialogue says about those things. Just notice them, write them down, make a note of it, and see if you can change those things to a more positive tone. Change the words, and you can even write sticky notes saying more positive things about yourself and your home to uplift your day. So my intention for you today is to treat all your words like they are magical. They can be magical spells upon all that you do and all that you are today. So make sure they are positive and uplifting for yourself and for others, and have a wonderful day.